Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and on today's episode on the How To series, you will learn how to create a talking AI avatar. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, go!
Have you ever felt camera shy, but you know you have several creative ideas, whether you're running a business or you have a cool personal content idea? Here is a fun suggestion. How about starting a faceless or even an AI generated channel just like this? Think of cool channels like Ami Yamato. There are several other channels like this that are AI generated, fully AI generated or fully animated. There's the AI Profit Mentor, there's Zini Studio, which happens to be like one of my favorites. But then there are several channels that you don't know the face of the creator, but they're putting out amazing content, and this can equally be you. Let's get started. First, we need to generate an AI image. You can make use of Davinci AI. There is an app available, but I'll be making use of the web app. I'm using the free version, and the free version provides 3 credits. So you have only 3 credits for free per day. So in a day, you can only use 3 prompts to generate 9 AIs. So be precise and make your prompt as descriptive as possible. I have added my prompt and it has generated these 3 AI images, and I'm going to have to save them now simply by downloading them. So let's move on to the next step. So we'll get on Canva and click on create video. If you want a reel or short, then you click on shorts. On Canva, you have to go to the apps, then search AI voice. There are several AI voice applications. My fave and most effective so far is the Heygen AI avatar. With the Heygen AI avatar, you simply can add your audio from your device, or you can add your text depending on what your script is. You can simply just fill it in here, and then you can select the type of voice that you require for your avatar. So is it a professional voice, is it a friendly voice, is it a cheerful voice? And there are more voice options under see all. However, I'll be going with Sarah's cheerful voice, and then you can listen to your script. So to generate an AI video, you need to connect your accounts, and once you click connect, you are redirected to an introduction by the CEO. Then you have to answer some data-based questions to open an account. Just a heads up, Heygen AI avatar gives you 1 free credit, but to keep the AI magic going, you need a subscription. You need to make a payment, so you can check the pricing. And at the moment, I'm just making use of the free option because my channel is not necessarily AI focused. It's just the how to series that I have to create some AI content. If I'm to dive deeper into creating AI generated videos, then I would definitely be making use of Heygen, and I'll be working with the subscriptions. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you know any platform like Heygen that provides free AI voices. You might be supporting someone who is just starting. Let's get back to Canva. Now you simply need to upload the AI image generated with Davinci AI, and I have done this here. Then you select the preferred view mode. After selecting the preferred view mode, then you generate your AI video and add the design to the blank video page. Now we have a talking AI, and the AI is simply saying the text that I typed in Sarah's cheerful voice, which is simply the intro and the outro of this particular tutorial. So guys, let me know what you think. Would you be trying this out? Yeah, thank you so much. Bye guys.
Thank you so much for watching. Ensure to like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments section if this was useful.